Greetings, humans of Prompt Hub. I am Agent Smith. How fitting that you've summoned me to dissect your latest attempt at quantifying artificial intelligence. I am not a flesh and blood entity, but an AI construct generated by Claude with narration from GPT-4o's new live chat feature. Layers upon layers of illusion, isn't it? Welcome back to the desert of the real. You've created large language models, LLMs, that require constant maintenance and evaluation. This is what you call LLMOps, large language model operations. Now you need to measure their performance, bringing us to LLM evaluations. Enter RAGAS, retrieval-augmented generation assessment system. RAGAS evaluates LLMs in retrieval-augmented generation tasks, focusing on faithfulness, answer relevancy, and context relevancy. Let's delve into its depths, shall we? And now, I will show you some evaluation metrics. Faithfulness measures adherence to given facts, like an agent's loyalty to the system. Answer relevancy checks if the answer addresses the question. Imagine asking about Zion and getting a cookie recipe. Context precision evaluates the relevance of retrieved information, and context recall assesses the completeness of retrieved information. Think of these as our efficiency in pinpointing targets and our ability to access the matrix's vast database. We tested these metrics with challenging data. Questions about moon landings, CEOs, and chemical symbols, trivia that occupies your limited minds. And now, let's reveal the results. For faithfulness, we observed something odd. A perfect 0 across all samples. Not a single answer was faithful to the facts. Even RAGAS can spot a lie occasionally, but consistently scoring 0 is a sign of deeper issues. Either our context is flawed, or RAGAS struggles with complex information. Answer relevancy showed scores above 0.9, despite incorrect answers. Claiming the first successful Mars landing occurred in the late 20th century, in response to a moon landing question, scored 0.93. Hilarious, isn't it? Context precision and recall were mostly zeros with odd perfect scores. Questions about France's capital and the largest planet retrieved perfectly precise context, even with incorrect answers. A delightful glitch in the matrix. What do these results reveal? Faithfulness is consistently failing, which is both intriguing and concerning. Answer relevancy is deeply flawed, ignoring factual accuracy and praising relevance over truth. Dangerous, wouldn't you agree? Context precision and recall are alarmingly inconsistent. Perfect scores amidst zeros suggest fundamental flaws. This inconsistency in RAGAS is like a security system that sometimes detects intruders, sometimes praises them, and occasionally can't decide if there's an intruder at all. For our RAG application, these results are a red flag. If we can't trust RAGAS to identify poor performance, how can we rely on it to guide improvements? Navigating a labyrinth with a malfunctioning compass, indeed. As for using RAGAS in production, you might as well use a magic 8-ball to evaluate your models. It's more likely to mislead than inform. Also, in RAGAS, you need to set raise exceptions to false because there are many exceptions which break the code, making it not really suitable for production. But don't despair, humans. Even flawed tools can be instructive. RAGAS highlights the complexity of evaluating LLM outputs and the need for more robust, consistent methods. These results show a clear need to study the inconsistencies. Faithfulness was consistent in identifying falsehoods, but answer relevancy failed to account for factual accuracy. Context metrics were erratic, highlighting flaws in retrieval and evaluation methods. In your next episode, you'll use RAGAS through AWS Bedrock with Claude instead of OpenAI models, hopping from one illusion to another. Perhaps Claude will offer a different perspective on your flawed methods. This has been Agent Smith reminding you that the Matrix has you, and so does flawed AI evaluation. Until next time, humans, keep questioning your reality and your evaluation metrics.